Welcome back to Battlezone, your go-to channel for everything two-wheeled and powerful. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that's shaking the sport bike world to its core, the all-new 2026 Honda CBR 1300XX Super Blackbird. Yes, you heard that right. The legendary Blackbird has returned, bigger, bolder, and faster than ever before. Honda has resurrected one of its most iconic names, not just as a tribute to the past, but as a challenge to every superbike on the planet. So, strap in as we explore every detail, from design and performance to technology and riding experience, of the 2026 Honda CBR 1300XX, a machine built to redefine speed and precision. A legacy of power. Before we get into the 2026 model, let's take a moment to remember where it all began. Back in 1996, Honda launched the original CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird, designed to be the fastest production motorcycle in the world. It was Honda's answer to the Kawasaki ZX-11 Ninja and, for a while, it wore the crown proudly with a top speed of 180 miles per hour. But more than just speed, the Blackbird was known for its refinement, smooth, balanced, and remarkably usable for everyday riders. It combined brute power with Honda's trademark reliability and comfort, making it a legend among sport touring enthusiasts. Fast forward to 2026, and Honda has decided it's time to bring that legend back, only this time, they've built something that's not just fast, but futuristic. Design and styling. The 2026 CBR 1300XX is not just a motorcycle, it's a visual statement. Honda's design team has taken inspiration from both the original Blackbird and modern aerodynamics found in MotoGP and fighter jet technology. At first glance, you'll notice the sleek aerodynamic bodywork that screams aggression. The bike's silhouette is razor-sharp, featuring a low-slung front cowl, integrated winglets, and flowing lines that slice through the air. Up front, the new dual-beam LED headlights create a piercing gaze, while the taillight design pays homage to the original 1100XX with a modern twist. The bike also comes with active aero flaps, which adjust automatically at high speeds for stability and reduced drag, a first for a Honda sport tourer. Honda has also used carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum alloys to keep the weight low while maintaining structural strength. Every inch of this machine feels sculpted for speed, engine and performance. Now let's talk about what really matters, the heart of the beast. Under the fairing, the 2026 Honda CBR 1300XX houses a brand new 1299cc inline-4 engine, built from the ground up with modern performance and emissions standards in mind. This motor is a liquid-cooled, DOHC, 16-valve monster, capable of producing a jaw-dropping 220 horsepower at 11,500 RPM and 152 Nm of torque. That's more than enough to make it one of the most powerful bikes Honda has ever built. Paired with a 6-speed quick-shift transmission and slipper clutch, the CBR 1300XX delivers seamless acceleration. Honda claims a top speed of around 198 miles per hour, 318 kilometers per hour, making it a worthy successor to the original Speed King. But it's not just about raw power, it's about how that power is delivered. The throttle response is controlled through Honda's latest ride-by-wire system, ensuring smooth, precise control across all RPM ranges. Technology and electronics. The 2026 CBR 1300XX isn't just fast, it's incredibly smart. At the center of it all is the Honda Intelligent Performance System (HIPS), a suite of electronic aids designed to keep the rider in total control. You get 6 riding modes: rain, street, sport, track, touring, and custom, each adjusting power delivery, traction control, and suspension stiffness. The bike also features cornering ABS with lean angle, sensors, 9-level Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), launch control and wheelie control, cornering lights and adaptive suspension. And yes, it's fully connected. The new 7-inch TFT display features Honda Ride Smart connectivity, allowing full smartphone integration, navigation, and performance tracking. There's even a voice command system through a Bluetooth helmet interface, letting riders control calls, music, and navigation without taking their hands off the bars. Chassis and handling. Honda has engineered the new CBR 1300XX to handle like a sport bike but ride like a tourer. The bike is built around a new twin spar aluminum frame, paired with a single-sided swing arm for that premium look and performance edge. The suspension setup is fully electronic. Showa BFF front forks and a Pro Link rear shock, both electronically adjustable based on mode and road conditions. Braking duties are handled by dual 330mm Brembo-style mach calipers up front and a single 260mm rear disc, offering unmatched stopping power. Despite being a high-speed machine, Honda has managed to keep the bike stable and predictable, a true balance of aggression and elegance. Even at high speeds, the chassis offers incredible feedback, while the electronics ensure you're always in command. Ergonomics and comfort. Unlike pure supersport machines, the CBR 1300XX doesn't punish its rider. Honda has kept the ergonomics relaxed, with slightly raised clip-ons and adjustable foot pegs that make long-distance riding comfortable. The seat is two-tiered and heated, ensuring both rider and passenger comfort. The handlebars are vibration damp, and the windscreen is electronically adjustable to reduce fatigue at highway speeds. In addition, the bike offers cruise control, heated grips, and keyless ignition. Honda clearly designed this not just for racetrack thrills, but also for long weekend rides or cross-country touring, a true all-rounder that can go from track to highway without breaking a sweat. Aerodynamics and stability. The aerodynamics of the 2026 CBR 1300XX deserve a section of their own. Using wind tunnel data from Honda's MotoGP program, the Blackbird's new bodywork has been fine-tuned to minimize drag and increase stability at extreme speeds. Active winglets adjust automatically at speeds over 120 miles per hour, generating downforce to keep the front end planted. The bike's underbody design also channels airflow efficiently, cooling the engine and improving handling dynamics. This advanced aerodynamic setup not only boosts performance but also enhances fuel efficiency, a small but meaningful edge in today's high-performance world. Sound and character. One of the most iconic features of the old Blackbird was its distinctive sound, a deep, turbine-like roar that earned it the Super Blackbird nickname. Honda has recreated that magic with a new titanium 4INTO2-1 exhaust system tuned for both performance and emotion. At idle, it purrs quietly. But twist the throttle, and the engine growls with a throaty resonance that'll send chills down your spine. It's a perfect blend of refinement and rawness, unmistakably Honda, yet unlike anything else on the road. Rider experience. Riding the CBR 1300XX is an experience that combines brute strength with finesse. At low speeds, the throttle mapping and electronic suspension make it surprisingly manageable, ideal for urban commutes or slow traffic. But open it up on the highway, and you unleash a wave of power that feels endless. The torque is instant, the acceleration relentless, and the stability rock solid even past 150 miles per hour. The seat feels plush yet supportive, the bars fall naturally to hand, and the bike's weight, around 238 kilograms wet, disappears once you're in.